Are you trying to figure out how to watch the NFL? All the games starting in September? Check this out, folks. Easiest way to watch NFL games on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Head to the search icon, type in downloader. This will give you the ability to sideload applications that are not available on the Amazon Fire TV stick. Click on downloader, get it, download it, and install it. Once it's installed, head over to the settings icon on the far right. Come down to My Fire TV. If you do not have developer options listed, go to About, and under Fire TV Stick, click on it multiple times, and no need. Now you are a developer. You can go back one and come down to Developer Options, click on it, and under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This gives Downloader the ability to sideload applications that aren't available on the Fire TV stick. This is what people consider jailbreaking the Amazon Fire TV stick. Head to the home screen, find Downloader under the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon. And when you find Downloader, you can use the 3-line button on your remote and you can move it to the front. I already have it there. So when you go back to the home screen, it's up front and center. So we can click on Downloader. Say yes to allow Downloader to access files on your device, and then say OK for the update. Some of you may have noticed Downloader has a new icon with a D with a down arrow in it. Enter a URL, search term, or shortcode. We have a shortcut to enter: 546835. Click go. The shortcut will send us to the Led by the Unknown website. Guys, please share this with your friends. I know everybody wants to watch the NFL this season. Now once the redirect is over, click the 3-line button on your remote, add current page to the favorites, and click save. And then you can just use the left toolbar there under favorites and find the Led by the Unknown shortcut. Once we're here, click down, come down to the downloads section, to the downloads page. There are a couple videos for you to watch, how-tos, and all the applications you'd ever want for your Amazon Fire TV stick. Let's head down to the sports section. Under the sports, the second download, the second icon here under sports is on fire. When you get to that download page, come down to the latest or the backup. Short little file to download. Click install and click done. Delete the APK file as we no longer need it. And guys, back out once and check out all the other awesome applications available for the Amazon Fire TV stick. We can go back to the home screen, find the application under the Your Apps and Games section, click on the icon, open it up. Click OK. And on the left side here we got schedules, channels, watch lists. On the right side, all matches, or we can do baseball, NFL, NHL. And of course we're looking for some NFL. And under our schedule we have all the games already listed. for our next 2 weeks of the season opener. Enjoy. Peace.